Now we're going to be talking about radiation. Now radiation is a way of transferring also thermal energy, but this is using electromagnetic waves, which is infrared radiation. It's part of the electromagnetic spectrum. We're going to be talking about that in waves. But now you need to know that radiation is a way of transferring energy using infrared waves or electromagnetic waves. Now, in the past two ways of transferring energy, you needed a medium. You need like a solid, liquid, or gas for the energy to be transferred. But in radiation, you don't really need a medium. Okay, who's responsible for transferring the energy is actually the electrons. Okay, vibrations of electromagnetic and electrical fields transfer the energy from one point to another using infrared radiation. Now, the most famous process of that is using the sun. The sun is in space and Earth is floating in space. So how is the energy transferred from the sun to Earth is using the infrared radiation. Okay. Now, anything that is hot can radiate energy. Any solid, liquid, or gas that has got high temperature is going to be radiating energy using infrared radiation. Now, this radiation is affected by a few things. First of all, the temperature, the higher the temperature, the higher the rate of radiation, meaning it's directly proportional. The greater the surface area, the greater the radiation. And of course, if you flip it, so less temperature, less radiation, less surface area, less radiation, okay? And then the color and texture. So color means it's either shiny or dull. Texture meanings is it matte or shiny, okay? Sorry, so what I meant is color means is it black or white, texture meaning shiny or dull. That's what I meant, sorry. So moving on, so if you have something with a black color, is going to be the best emitter. So black colors are the best emitters of thermal energy. So look at this experiment. So you have two sides. This is heated up from the inside. You have the white one and you have the black side. So the black side is gonna emit more radiation than the white one. So we say black is a best emitter, or the black is a better emitter, which is dull matte colors are the best emitters of radiation. Okay, so this black one is gonna emit all of the heat. The white one is a bad emitter. We say it's a good reflector. So if heat wants to come in, it's not gonna come. It's gonna be reflected out. And if it wants to get out, it's gonna be reflected in. So it's a good reflector and a bad emitter. Okay, so using that, we can use that in a lot of applications to protect our houses from the heat or to insulate some materials and so on. Okay, there's a lot of experiments on that we're gonna go through, but for now this is radiation. Thank you for listening.